almost heaven. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there.
I like it.
Well, got in here. It's what is it?
6:53.
6:53. We got some great ground lined up here in Montana. Ranchers got some sheep and coyotes, or sheep and cows. Want all the coyotes out.
Yeah.
And some neighbors.
Yeah, we got permission on neighbors. We should be able to make a lot of stands today.
We came here last year.
Yeah.
And had one of our best days, and then we got high hopes.
You bet, dude.
Going for double digits.
Double digits. Well, first stand. Ricky hit one with a shotgun.
Twice. Hit it twice. We never did find it.
No, we never found it. But he's definitely hit. That's first stand. Shotgun dog.
It's going to be a great day.
It's going to be a great day.
We got into the stand, set up on some pines over some ag fields. Got some like sage and stuff to our right. Big hill in front of us. He started playing and a crow squawking behind us and a coyote come barreling off the hill and oh my gosh.
So, we're going to go to this next stand, kill a double. Go to the next stand, kill a double.
I killed a triple with a shotgun.
Yep.
So,
see you there.
Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place
got some friends.
I belong. Mountain Mama, take me home.
High. Aim at his belly. Bottom of him. Dumped him. What just happened?
He killed a dog at 4:15.
4:15. See him out here in this hayfield. He must not have heard the call.
Oh, he kept looking like he would. He just wasn't interested.
What do we do about this dog over here?
How far is he?
Female. Oh.
Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, go take me home.
Do you like that or no? There you go. Yeah. Oh. Yep. Okay, we're just getting in here. Got a big ag field. Sort of rip right here will pretty much say, calls out. Here he comes. Here he comes. It's a fox. I turn your whipper on. Why do you need to tackle him? I do. Yep. See him? Yep. Yep. That's a different box. What just happened? I hope I didn't blow him up. Oh my gosh.
Down country roads, go take me home. Down country roads.
Dude, that's a pretty fox.
He's so pretty. Oh, it didn't come out. What is that, dude?
That's the prettiest thing I've ever killed.
No hole.
Bullet went in.
Did not
Right
come
under the
out.
throat. That's awesome.
7 away outdoors,
Yeah, I
getting
mean,
it
my-
done, dude.
Dude, I mean,
Boom.
come on.
November 1.
Just you hear the difference in the wind when dark clouds form and start to turn. I'll run again.
Well, what a cool morning so far.
Yeah.
How many stands I made? 5. 4.5 stands. Our second stand, we sort of got blown out by some guard dogs. So we just sort of packed our stuff up and went and shot another coyote. But this last stand, Brant nailed a fox. And it's 11 o'clock on the dot right now.
Shotgun the coyote.
Shotgunned the coyote.
We've killed the coyote at 400.
Almost killed one at like
50.
550.
And then killed a fox.
That's one of them days.
No, quite enough more.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Hear the difference in the wind when dark clouds form and start to turn. I'll run again. Far away when
Well, this morning we went up Montana on a ranch, killed a couple coyotes and a fox, and came home. And then spent the afternoon. It was hot, so the coyotes weren't moving. We moved to here tonight on our place and made a stand back there. Didn't get anything. Made a stand right here, and we got 3 coyotes across the draw, but it's getting too dark, and we're not gonna be able to get them over here in time. So I think we're gonna just call it wraps on the day. Let them be and call them in a different day.
Not too shabby, huh?
Do you watch the YouTube channel, dude?
No, I can't find it.
You can't find
You can't find it?
No, I've been searching. I can't find it.